Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. It is that time of the year. We are on the November Nykaa Pink Friday, Black Friday sale, and I'm so excited, guys, because first time ever in my 3 years of journey of YouTube, Nykaa sent me a huge PR box. It's right here. It's like very huge, but I'll be unboxing this box in my next video. This video is going to be about my recommendations that I want to share with you guys for this Pink Friday sale. You guys know the drill if you have been following me for the past 1.5 years, where I've been starting to post about these sale recommendations. I only invest in luxury products during these sales because the other products that go on sale always have some or the other back and forth discounts because they are affordable and you can purchase them any time of the year. But I personally believe that during these sales, the only way to bank on your money and get some good stuff is investing in your luxury products. So I've got a lot of recommendations. Of course, there'll be some affordable items as well for everyone, and I'll be talking about the products and discounts. So now without further ado, let's get started. So this time when I was going through the Nykaa offers, okay, I've got like all the offers on my iPad over here. I feel like they focused a lot more on giving discounts this year and less of freebie, because they usually have this like free pouch and all those things. But this time they focused more on getting like more buy one, get one, buy two, get one offer, 35%, 50%, 20% off on these luxury brands, which is, trust me, a great deal because some of the minis from the luxury brand aren't even worth it. So yeah, this is the gist of it. Otherwise, you're getting freebies on L'Oreal, Maybelline and all of that. Let's start with my recommendations. I'm not going to go in particular order, but let me just share with you all the cart items that I already have right now in my cart that I might purchase. I'm not sure because my cart value is already going on 10,000 rupees. First is Charlotte Tilbury. Let me quickly talk about Charlotte Tilbury. I have actually added the flawless filter and I have the mini version over here. It is going on like I think around 20%, 25% off, and for 3,000 rupees I'm buying it. This one I had a mini one in the shade 3 Fair, but I'm getting the 2 Fair one because this is slightly darker for me. Love it, gotten so many compliments. I absolutely freaking adore this product. It's expensive. This mini was for 1,500. Now they've increased the mini price to 1,800, which is bad. That's why please invest in the full size product. It's worth your money. So yeah, buying this one. And because we're on the lines of Charlotte Tilbury, they usually have this offers, but this time they are giving flat 25 to 20% off on all of their products, which is a great stuff. So recently I purchased the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Compact Powder. Guys, don't buy anything, buy this one. This is on 20% off, 25% off right now. This is probably the best compact powder that I've ever used so far, guys. I freaking love this one. This is so beautiful. It's legit like an airbrush finish and it's expensive. I know it's for 4,000 rupees, but it's worth every single penny. I'm cherishing this powder, and if you have got the money, you are on the wedding season hunt of your wedding trousseau, makeup trousseau, get your hands on this because this is going to be the best purchase, trust me. Now coming to the other things from Charlotte Tilbury that I want to recommend is their wands. These are either the Glowgasm or the highlighter illuminating wand. Any of these, I like both of them. If you're more of a blush person, go with the Glowgasm. If you're more of a highlighter person, go with the highlighter wand. Both of these are so beautiful. I love them. I've been using them regularly and I would like anytime 100% recommend you guys to invest in these. So these were my like luxe Charlotte Tilbury recommendations. And of course, if you are someone who is on a hunt for a good setting spray, you can buy the Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless setting spray. I've used it quite a lot. This one is the mini one. This is also on sale. You can check it out. I really like it. And now that we are on the topic of setting spray, I also want to talk about the other items that I've added in my cart, which is from Too Faced. So Charlotte Tilbury's flawless filter is there. Then I've added like 3 items from Too Faced because Too Faced is having buy 2 get 1 free. Now, okay guys, this is actually a very nice product. It's a viral product, but I do not know why people don't talk about this setting spray from Too Faced. This one is the Too Faced Makeup Insurance 18-hour wear long setting spray. I have used this setting spray throughout the year and I freaking love it. It's got this sweet coconut mist scent because it's got coconut in it, and I just love this one. I have used it in events, I've used it at weddings, I've used it in my everyday life, and I freaking love it. It is for 2,600, but right now you can find it at a very affordable price because Too Faced is having 20% off, and they also have a buy two get one offer as well. And this is something that I would recommend you guys to buy it. Also from Too Faced, I am planning to buy the Too Faced Cloud Crush blurring blush. I'll put up a picture over here. That again I am planning to buy in the buy two get one offer, and also the Too Faced brow wig. Let's see what I end up buying. I will share with you guys a haul video eventually. So yeah, this is for my Too Faced recommendations. Now coming to some other recommendations, let me just I have got a couple of things over here. I don't know how to start. Now coming to Clinique doesn't really have that great offers this time, although I would recommend you guys to get their Moisture Surge cream. I have emptied almost this tub, it's hardly left, and I have one backup and then I'm done with their Moisture Surge. It is expensive, but if you find it on great discounts, I'll put up a screenshot here. Buy this one because this is the best moisturizer so far that I've come across. It's expensive, but it's worth every penny. Laneige again has this free trial kit on every order, and buy one at flat 10% off and buy two at flat 20% off, sort of an offer. But the only thing that I would recommend from Laneige right now is their lip sleeping mask. I'm going to finish off this green apple one, and then I have the berry one. I cannot do without these lip masks. These are like my ride and die sort of a product. And if you're someone who's yet not tried this product, this is the time that you need to purchase it. Highly recommend. Now coming to some perfumes and all, because I want to keep the affordable items at the end of this video. Let me start off with some luxury perfumes, because trust me, during the sale time you can find some great offers. Like these perfumes go on 20% off, 25% off. The first one that I purchased a couple of months back is from Lancome. This is the Lancome's La Vie Est Belle. Beautiful perfume. I've got so many compliments. This is the best women perfume that you can find in the market, recommended by everybody. Right now it's on 25% off or something, so you can buy it. It's so beautiful. This one is the 75 ml or 50 ml bottle that I have, but you can also get a 30 ml bottle. Yeah, this is 75 ml bottle. It's more citrusy, orange blossom sweet scent. It's not a vanilla scent, so yeah, a lot of girls or women will like this. It's a mature scent you can carry on your Indian outfits, on your everyday office wear. So yeah, very sweet, subtle, and a mature scent, but classic. So this is one recommendation. The other one that I have was actually one of my recent purchases, and would recommend you guys to buy it if you're someone like me and wants to invest in some very luxury expensive perfumes. This one is from Miss DIOR. This is the Miss DIOR's original Eau de Parfum roll on. This one is a roll on one. This is actually for 3,900, which is much cheaper than the Parfum, because Parfum is for 11,000 rupees. This is so good. It's like a perfect floral perfume. If you're someone who wants to look out for a perfect, beautiful floral perfume, look no further. This from Miss DIOR is great. DIOR also has some great offers on Nykaa right now. You can get a makeup kit for free if you buy for 10,000 rupees from DIOR. And I think if you buy for 5,000, there's another freebie. Do give this one a try. It's a beautiful, cute bottle, and you can see I've used it a bit. And also the oil or the liquid in this is a bit more thicker because it's a roll-on perfume, so it lasts way more longer. So I really like this. My other two perfume recommendations would be some affordable ones. So first I have is from Sol de Janeiro. Sol de Janeiro is on 20-25% off right now. This one is the Brazilian crushed caramelized vanilla and macadamia perfume. Oh my god, this is straight up your caramel popcorn. I love it so much. I have gotten crazy compliments for this, guys. Buy this one. Without a thought, buy this one. The second perfume recommendation is from Bath & Body Works. Bath & Body Works right now has buy one get one, so you can get anything at 50% off. Their recent holiday collection, Snowflakes and Cashmere, the bottle is so pretty. This is something you need to have. It's like a perfect blend of vanilla sweetness but strongness because of the cashmere in it. It's so beautiful. I actually bought the entire set. I bought the body wash, body cream, and this body mist. If you're someone who's interested in buying anything from Bath & Body Works during this Nykaa sale, please get the Snowflakes and Cashmere one. It's so nice. And the last perfume recommendation would be from Plum Body Loving. Their Vanilla Vibes. or their smoking vanilla, it is the best one to go ahead and buy. Now I feel I've recommended good amount of luxury products. Let's move on to some affordable recommendations. So if you're someone who cannot afford to buy the Charlotte Tilbury's, Hollywood Flawless Stroke Cream sort of a thing, I recently tried out the Dot & Key Strawberry Dew in the Spotlight Stroke Cream. I think Dot & Key nailed with this product. This is so good. It smells like strawberries. It gives this beautiful glow. Highly recommend. Dot & Key again has some great offers right now on Nykaa. Wow, I love this product. This is a great dew for a very nice highlighter, matte stroke cream. So please buy this one if you're interested. They also have like some good moisturizers as well, so you can check it out. From Plum, you can invest in the Rosehip oil. This is the Plum Rosehip face oil that boosts collagen. I love using it with like a facial massager. It's a beautiful oil. It's non-sticky, smells great. I really like this one. So you should definitely try out this from Plum. Plum is I think around on 35% off. L'Oreal again has some good offers. Again, the L'Oreal offers come every now and then, but right now I think you get a freebie as well, so you can bank on that. I have two recommendations from L'Oreal. First is the L'Oreal's mascara. This is my all-time favorite, L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. Love it. It's waterproof. It's the best mascara that you can find in the market. It retails for like 900 or 1000 rupees, but worth it. And the other recommendation from L'Oreal would be the L'Oreal's UV Defender UV Serum Moist and Fresh Sunscreen. This is an underrated sunscreen. I love this product so much. Really like it. It's a bit expensive, but I love it. If you can find it on discount, please get this one. Another item from L'Oreal is their Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. This one is the best purchase that I've done. It's slightly expensive. It has this rollerball sort of a applicator, but I love it. It just makes my under eye so uplifted and beautiful, just like how it's supposed to be. So if you are interested in it, please get your hands on this one. L'Oreal also has some good curated kits. Now the other two recommendations that I have, first is from K-Beauty. K-Beauty again has Lipton's Lip Plumizer and all of those new things they've launched, but I would recommend their eye stuff. First is their liquid liner in Grunge Raisin, my absolute favorite, and the other one is their gel liner in Bronze. These are two of my favorite products from K-Beauty, K by Katrina. So love it, would recommend you guys to get this one. And lastly from Maybelline, I would recommend nothing but their vinyl ink. I have worn this lipstick so much. It doesn't budge. It gives that beautiful glossy finish, and it's one of the things that I would like to repurchase again. I've not finished it, but some other shades, so highly recommend the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Lipstick. Maybelline also has some offers, and on that offers you can get a freebie as well on like $8.99, so do give it a try. Now before winding this video off, I want to share with you all some of the other items that are there. This is the Nykaa Trend Set Go Skincare Kit, which has got the Dot & Key's moisturizer, which I love. It's got the Cosrx Snail Mucin Full Size and the Dr. Sheth Ceramide Sunscreen. This is a perfect kit for people like me from normal to dry skin, and the winter season is coming, so if you are interested, you can get that. Estee Lauder has now got 25% off on the Advanced Night Repair Serum. I'm not really sure if I want to purchase that, but it's a good deal if you are a good user, a frequent user of that product. I'm also purchasing the Anomalies hair care range, which is from Priyanka Chopra. I've not tried it yet, so I really want to. They have a buy one get one offer. So I'm getting the Anomalies dry shampoo with rice starch and the Anomalies hydrating shampoo. So let's see how it is. I'll definitely share a review with you guys. Also, another thing I want to add on, guys, while you're purchasing online, of course, mindfulness and all is there, but also look out for bank offers. The HDFC credit card right now gives you 12% to 10% discount, instant discount. So I'm definitely going to use my HDFC credit cards. Also, guys, try shop using credit cards because you get cashback points and you also get some extra off. Nykaa also has Paytm cashback, and they also have Cred Pay Simple, and I'm sure they also have a Kotak card cashback. So check on all these cashbacks and try and save more. And also, if you are a Pride member like me, collect coupons in your coupon section and you can get 10% off. Like I'm getting 10% off additional on my Too Faced purchase. So yeah, that's a great way to save more money and try to use your reward points as well. So guys, this was my genuine recommendation for the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you all what PR Nykaa sent me. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.